Most homes in the United States have a microwave oven. It makes it easy to reheat food, cook popcorn, whatever. Back in the day, all they had to use was a stovetop and an oven, which took quite a long time. The microwave has become so ingrained in American society, it's hard to imagine a life without it. But did you know that the microwave was invented by accident at the end of World War II? This is Kayla Gilmore, and you are watching Did You Know in History. Even though the idea of the microwave oven didn't come to fruition until the late 1940s, different components of the microwave oven began to be developed in the 1920s, with the creation of the vacuum tube for radio transmitters. Scientists discovered that the shortwave transmitters could be used to cook food, and it was demonstrated in the 1933 Chicago World's Fair. The Westinghouse team attached two metal plates to a 10 kilowatt, 60 megahertz shortwave transmitter and was able to cook food between the plates. Then, in 1940, John Randall and Harry Boot from the University of Birmingham in England developed the cavity magnetron, which is a high-powered vacuum tube that generates microwaves by using the interaction of a stream of electrons with a magnetic field while moving past a series of open metal cavities. In World War II, the magnetron was an important component in the creation of the short wavelength radar. Randall and his team created the magnetron to change the course of the war. The technology was brought over to the United States later that year to help perfect the radar technology. Raytheon was the main manufacturing company in the United States of the radar technology. Percy Spencer, who was an American-taught engineer and an employee at Raytheon, accidentally discovered that the high-power microwave beam could cook food. He's working near an active radar, and when he went to eat a chocolate bar that he had in his pocket, he discovered that it was completely melted. This gave him the idea that these microwaves could cook food. Spencer conducted a series of tests to test his theory. He and his colleagues attempted cooking various foods with the microwave, such as popcorn, eggs, and a hamburger. They were successful in all attempts. With the close of World War II, Spencer and the Raytheon Company worked together to develop a microwave oven that could be used as a home appliance to make it easier for housewives. The first microwave oven was more of a conveyor belt than an enclosed box. Eventually, after trying multiple unsuccessful designs, they created a microwave oven that looked more like a conventional oven in 1945. Unfortunately, this first oven was huge and costed as much as an average employee's yearly salary, making it not affordable for the common housewife like it was originally planned for. 2 years later, a more compact model of the microwave oven was created for commercial use and was quickly bought and installed in railroad dining cars, restaurants, and shipboard kitchens. Yet, even with the compact microwave oven being bought up commercially, not many were being sold. It wasn't until the Raytheon bought the Amana Corporation in 1965 did ideas of a residential microwave that could fit on a countertop and was more affordable came under development. With the creation of the residential microwave oven, sales began to skyrocket. More and more people continued to purchase a microwave oven through the 70s, and it became a commonplace to have in one's kitchen. Microwave Microwaves have come so far over the years, and I'm just happy that today I can easily cook up popcorn. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!